Hello everyone, welcome. In today's video all we're going to be doing is removing these old protectors, and so don't mind this. I had them on all lights, which is neat because these are glass. And so yeah, the E34 the 535 doesn't have these protectors, and man, I'm gonna tell you, it cracked the light right away. So that's very unfortunate. I will have to be buying a replacement glass. But anyway, today we're just going to be swapping these out. They look really ugly, make the car look weird with these things flapping out like this. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so this is going to be a long process, I presume, so I might just not record all this, but I'm just going to go ahead and get some glue gun on there, just clean it off and try to take this off. And I might just use a razor blade. It works so much better when you have your blade. And look at all this gunk right here, that's crazy. As you can see, it worked. The glue gun was successful, and so I don't want to put too much. I just want to do a final wipe here, make sure that I have a clean, non-sticky surface. So this is the new xpel that I put on this light. I would have really loved to find this one, because this one is, it seems like it's a lot thicker. But as I was doing it, remember, I'm just going to go ahead and repeat the same steps for these, and for the other three it's going to take a while because I do have to, you do have to put in some work. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and do the ugliest side first, which is this one. I need to do all three of them, but I'm just going to go ahead and do this one right now. And basically this is what I'm talking about. Check this out. It's custom to the shape of the headlight. Really nice. So that is a big difference to the previous, and I'll put before and after. Now, since I did use glue gun, you will have to use some alcohol. All right, so just hitting it with some alcohol, making sure it's clean. We can have a good surface for it to mate to, and it looks so much cleaner compared to that other side. So it is a lot of hard work. I think I'm gonna stop here because I have other stuff to do. But check it out, guys. Brand new, looks clear compared to how it used to look. What a difference it makes. Just look at it. Okay, so I already scraped off all this glue that was on here, and so what I've been using is this as a template on my xpel paper. Okay, so once we have our template, we can go ahead and cut it, and we're going to copy this same one for the other inner light. Okay, so I got my two templates here. Alcohol. Easy install, super easy, very nice. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and repeat the step to that side over there, and they're looking nice. These headlights, they're the older style, but they look really nice. So let's go ahead and keep going with this.